Boy, now you make me float. Boy, you really give me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope, 'cause you.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's been a little while, but I'm back. I hope you guys are doing well. Let me know how you guys are doing in the comments below. I need feedback from you guys. But without further ado, let's get right into this tutorial. As you can see, I'm applying my Model 1's full cover tips in the shape almond in medium long. I applied the Beetles Peel Off Base Gel to make my removals easier. This step is optional, but if you want your nails to last 3 to 4 weeks, skip this step. Just replace the peel off base with a regular base coat. Then cure in your lamp, then do your Gel X method.
Now, baby, I'm sorry, that's the way it is.
I'm using the Creation Extend Gel. Almost all of the products I'm using you can find on Amazon.
But I'll never let you in again. Don't you think like that? I will love you endlessly. If you'd only believe in me. Don't you be like that? I will love you for.
I filed and buffed my nails off camera. I didn't really have to shape them because the nails are already my desired length and shape. I went in with a rubber base coat in the color Forever Young from V Beauty Pure on my pointer fingers. It's such a pretty sparkling pink. This was my first time using a rubber base gel, but I think I did okay. If you're using a rubber base gel, make sure you flip your hand over to level out the gel to build your apex. Next, I painted the rest of my nails with a sheer light pink gel from Gowie. I did 2 coats of this. Then I went with 1 layer of builder gel to add a little more strength to the nails. I did this on both hands. Now I'm going to use these ombre nail sponges to apply my pigmented powders. These products are from Amazon as well. Guys, this is such an awesome alternative to the airbrush. You don't have to worry about inhaling any chemicals, and it's much quicker to achieve the airbrush look. These colors are beautiful and very pigmented. There's so many to choose from. I'm going to apply a matte top coat on the nails I want to use my pigmented powders on. The reason for this is that the powders need a non-shiny surface so they can stick to the nail. Look how pigmented this purple is. So as you can see, I'm applying multiple layers of the powder to the nail with the sponge. There is really no wrong way to do this. I just keep applying the powder until I achieve my desired look. So guys, these silicone flower molds are a game changer. These definitely save time. Instead of having to mold and shape the solid nail gel, you can just put the gel inside the molds. Cure in the lamp for 60 seconds, mainly until the gel is fully cured. Then you apply them on your nail like you would a nail charm. It's basically making your very own nail charms. Since this was my first time using the molds, I started off with using builder gel, but I find this method works better if you use the 3D solid nail gel. For me at least. But you can use whatever gel you feel comfortable with as long as it's thick. And you can mix that with any color gel to achieve your desired color. Just make sure you fill in every single crevice of this mold. You can flip it over to the back side of the mold to make sure you filled in each crevice. If you don't, it's not going to cure correctly, and your charm is not going to form correctly. So as you can see, I've already cured the gel in the mold. Now I'm removing the gel from the mold. I did not like the way this flower turned out, so I ended up doing it again. So here I found it easier to use a dotting tool to apply the gel inside the mold, as I can get into every crevice. I changed the mold to a different type of flower, as I thought that these flowers looked a little better. Look how cute this flower is. And now I just use my rhinestone glue by Macker to apply the flower charm to the nail. I also love the way the molds are shaped like nails, so that it fits perfectly to the nail. It actually lays flat to the nail. So at this point, guys, unfortunately my phone ran out of memory and storage, so I couldn't film the rest of my process. However, I was able to get some good videos of the finished product. I really hope you guys like them. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Comment down below and interact with me. Let me know if you would like more videos like this. Thanks for watching.
You won't go fooling me twice now, baby. I'm sorry, that's the way it is. I let you get to me once now, baby.